The English language anglicized the unwinding of our reality and codified it as sin, when truly it's the undoing of what was made good according to its kind and type, because our biological responses should only be tethered to a corresponding biologically based support language, versus something that's synthetic like the so-called English language that opposes natural laws and nature. The phrase, "my people perish because they lack knowledge," is one such evidence of our timely unwinding from our true reality. This means we have forgotten the ways of our ancestors because our actions are no longer fruitful and multiplying within the earth, only destructive. Psalm 83 addresses such unwinding to the extent that we will no longer be in remembrance because we are mixing ourselves out of existence due to our lack of knowledge, which is codified in the parable casting our pearls, DNA, to swines. It's important to note that our Negroid image and likeness which sets us apart was initially attacked and unwinded biologically by a fallen watcher angel, whose plan is to replace us with his own offspring, which is codified in Genesis 3:15, as the enmity between the two seeds. In other words, the forest was shrinking, but the trees kept voting for the axe. For the axe was clever and convinced the trees that because his handle was wood, he was one of them. This means that only a remnant will survive, insomuch that, if it were possible, they shall deceive the very elect.